Racing just is started. Break the ice very quickly at the start. No day is lost in the middle portion. See that? Is on the outside. Play the music while Ilocos Magic is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn. Break the ice by out ahead. And on the outside is No Day is lost. Racing in 30 seed that play the music is down in port while Ilocos Magic is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Break the Ice by about 2 lengths. We see that now moving up to take second. No Day is lost, is racing in third. Play the music while Ilocos Magic is still racing in last. Break the Ice by our length and a half. We see that now trying to get closer in second. Then next on line is No Day is lost. Play the music while Ilocos Magic is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. Will break the ice by about 3 lengths. See that remains in second. No Day is lost, still in third. Ilocos Magic play the music as they swing for home. Will break the ice this time by about 6 lengths, followed by See That in second. Last 100 meters, we break the ice now racing away over See That in second, and finally it's Break the Ice. The second is See That, third No Day is lost, then comes Ilocos Magic, play the music.
Bandera